All right, what's going on, my people? Welcome to the SN95 Power Channel. So we're bringing it back. We're getting back to features, and what I mean by that, we are featuring fourth generation Mustangs on this channel, like we used to do back in the day. I kind of got away from that. I needed a break from it, but we're back doing write-ups on Instagram, and every time I do an Instagram write-up, I'm going to bring you the car over here on YouTube. So let's check out today's car. So what we have is a 2003 Torch Red 10th Anniversary Cobra, owned by my man at Avery Cool Turtle. So this Cobra is a perfect blend of balance between simplicity and execution. Now, this setup is pretty straightforward, but it's effective. It's a bolt-on car, pulley, stock Eaton blower, paired with a 373 gear. That's a perfect combination to give that classic Eaton whine that we all love. Now, it's not a crazy build, but it has tasteful pieces, all the right things. But, you know, the first thing when you look at this car, the thing that really stands out is the stance. The stance is dialed in, it's got the perfect wheels, and the paint just pops under light. It's one of those Cobras that's not overdone, but details are put into it. And this kind of just gives you a perfect example of, you know, how versatile these Cobras are. You can build them wild to mild. So huge shout out to my man at Avery Cool Turtle for letting me feature this clean Cobra. And like I said, this is something that we're trying to get back into. We'll probably do write-ups 3 days a week on Instagram, and as I do some features on Instagram, I'm just going to port that right over here on YouTube for all of y'all who do not have Instagram. So tell me what y'all think about this 10th Anniversary Cobra. I think it's a beautiful ride. Of course, I'm very partial to red Mustangs, but leave a comment down below. Tell me what y'all think. And like I say, I'm trying to focus more back on, you know, y'all out there. You know, probably for the last couple of years, we've been focusing on mainly my vehicles, and that's kind of taken away what this channel really started as highlighting, you know, your vehicles out there. And so if you're on Instagram and you want a feature, hit me up at SN95 Power. If you don't have Instagram and you want a feature, shoot me an email, sn95pow@gmail.com, and we'll get your car and your ride on the channel. So hey, I appreciate y'all rocking with this channel. It really means a lot going into 2026 that, you know, the channel has grown. Is really all because of y'all support out there. So we've got some plans for 2026. We have actually a pretty cool plan. My man Justin at Daily Automotive. We're cooking up something in the kitchen for y'all, fourth generation guys. So if you're going to be at Mustang Week, stay tuned. This is like the first teaser. Our little teaser for this thing that we're trying to cook up. So if you want to know what it is, hit the bell notification, and anytime you get any kind of alert or anything like that, go ahead and click on it, because there's some big news for the community. So I'm trying to tease this as best as I can. I'm not a good pitch person right now, but trust me, y'all are going to be excited about what me and my man Justin is trying to put together for Mustang Week. So do me a solid, tell a couple people about the channel, and until next time, God bless.